First, understand your Xbox console's refresh rate capabilities. Xbox Series X and Series S support up to 120 Hz at various resolutions, while Xbox One consoles are limited to 60 Hz maximum. Navigate to your Xbox settings by going to System, then Console Info and Updates. Here you'll need to enable the Allow 120 Hz option to unlock higher refresh rates. Next, access the TV and display options to configure your resolution and refresh rate settings. Set your preferred resolution and ensure the refresh rate is set to 120 Hz if your monitor supports it. On your Sceptre monitor, access the on-screen display menu using the monitor buttons or remote. Navigate to Display Settings, select the correct HDMI input, and choose your desired refresh rate. Finally, verify your setup is working correctly. Check that your Xbox display info shows the desired refresh rate and test with a 120 Hz compatible game to ensure smooth motion and reduced input lag. The most common issue when setting up high refresh rates is HDMI cable compatibility. Your cable must support the required bandwidth for your desired resolution and refresh rate. Here's a visual comparison of HDMI bandwidth capabilities. Notice how HDMI 2.1 provides significantly more bandwidth, which is essential for 4K at 120 Hz gaming. Screen flickering is another common issue. This usually indicates power supply problems or loose cable connections that need to be checked and secured. To minimize input lag and get the best gaming performance, you need to enable game mode on both your Xbox console and your Sceptre monitor. Sometimes your Sceptre monitor won't automatically detect the correct refresh rate. You may need to manually adjust the settings through the monitor's on-screen display menu. If you notice color problems or washed-out images, adjust the RGB range settings in your Xbox display options. This ensures proper color reproduction between your console and monitor. For optimal performance, always use high-quality HDMI cables, keep your Xbox system software updated, and configure your monitor's gaming preset. These simple steps will ensure you get the best possible gaming experience.